Welcome to another story time. Let's jump right into our book today and read together Jackhammer Sam, written by Peter Mandell and illustrated by David Catrow. Atta-ratta-tatta-bam, do you know who I am? The name's Jackhammer Sam. Yeah, that's the man I am. Atta-ratta-batta-blam, I'm the sidewalk blasting man. You may try to cross the street, but there's a crack beneath your feet, 'cause I chop concrete, and I do not chop it neat. Yeah, my hammer sounds so sweet when I chop it to a beat, that I gotta make a song, atta-ratta-bing-a-bong. It might be loud, it could be long, atta-ratta-ping-a-pong, but I never hit it wrong, atta-ratta-ding-a-dong. See, there's a secret to my style. When I work, I take a while. All the cars go single file, and I make policemen smile. 'Cause I build a monster pile, and I drill a city mile. I use my belly on the job, it shakes like jelly or a blob. I dig so deep I just can't stop. I mop the sewers, slip, slap, slop. I pop the steam pipes, rip, drip, drop. I stop the subways, creak, ker, plop. I once struck an oil down below, a mighty geyser, don't you know? Plug your ears, she's gonna blow. A river rushing, watch her flow. I turned a stop sign into go and cut an oar so I could row. My hammer drilled a giant's tooth. My hammer paved the Rockies smooth. My hammer broke the break of day. My hammer drained the Milky Way. My hammer sings it loud and strong, and I want you to sing along. Atta-ratta-tatta-bam, atta-ratta-batta-blam. Atta-ratta-bing-a-bong, atta-ratta might be long. Atta-ratta-ping-a-pong, atta-ratta-ding-a-dong. Atta-ratta-bang-a-gong, atta-ratta never wrong. Atta-ratta-king-a-kong, atta-ratta loud and strong. The name is Jackhammer Sam, and that's my song. Jackhammer Sam sure had a fun song, didn't he? Do you have a song that's all your own? What about just a favorite song? Can you sing a little to me? Thanks. That sounded beautiful. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. One of my favorite things to do is to turn what I'm doing into a song. I call it Musical Sunday because I usually do this on Sundays. But I think you could do it any day of the week. Think you could sing a little about what you were doing today? If not, you can just sing your favorite song. That's okay too. Don't forget to keep the fun going too by checking out my virtual library for even more of our favorite storytime activities. It was wonderful to see and sing with you today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!